It is said beauty is in the eye of the beholder. But what determines what the beholder finds beautiful?
Is our perception of beauty psychological, anthropological, or sociological?
You'll look younger, smaller, lighter, fuller, tighter, thinner, softer. It really works.
The perception of beauty.
Everyone perceives beauty differently.
We wanted to find out which social science determines what we find beautiful.
To do this, we composed a questionnaire and conducted an experiment.
We asked people between the ages of 7 and 85 to rate the beauty of the following images on a scale of 1 to 5.
Our questionnaire allowed us to compare how people perceive average-size models to plus-size models, makeup to no makeup, muscular men to non-muscular men, and a natural appearance compared to one that has been altered by plastic surgery. We also included 2 computer-generated examples of an average male face and an average female face.
The final question on the questionnaire asked, how beautiful do you think you are on a scale of 1 to 5? After collecting our data, we analyzed our findings and made observations. We found that in every age group, males and females rated
plus-size model over average-size model, pre-plastic surgery over post-plastic surgery, makeup over no makeup, and muscles over no muscles. The average faces received ratings of approximately 3, suggesting they are averagely beautiful. And when asked to rate themselves, the average answer given was 2.7. We also noticed differences in the way each age group responded. Children were very generous in their ratings and also rated themselves at an average of 4 out of 5, higher than any other group. Teens were the most critical in their ratings, giving the overall lowest scores of any group. We also noticed that men were more critical in rating other men, while women were more critical in rating other women. We also noticed that many people voiced their own opinions while completing the questionnaire. They said things like, "I prefer brunettes,"
or "I like curvy girls." As one culture, everyone gave similar answers, such as plus size over thin, makeup over no makeup, etc. If we had tested in a different part of the world, the responses may be different.
For example, in Africa, many people wear lip discs because it is seen as an attractive accessory.
As groups, some were more critical than others. Children were less critical because perhaps children are less infatuated with beauty, opposed to teens, who are more critical and perhaps the most infatuated with looking beautiful.
This would explain why teens are most susceptible to developing eating disorders. 95% of people with eating disorders are between the ages of 12 and 25.
As individuals, everyone had their own personal preferences when it came to what they found appealing.
You often hear people refer to their type. Additionally, research shows that people are subconsciously attracted to others with a lot of symmetry in their face. This concept has been used to explain why Harry Styles of One Direction is perceived as the most attractive in the group. With our findings and research, we were able to reach a conclusion. The perception of beauty is a combination of psychology, anthropology, and sociology. All 3 social sciences come together.
Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. What the beholder finds beautiful is influenced by their culture, their society, and their own preferences.
Psychological influences, anthropological influences, and sociological influences form one's true perception of beauty.